How to see the list of subscribed channel in YouTube app by using your Android device. So for that you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. First of all, launch the YouTube app on your device. Once you have launched your YouTube app here, at the bottom of the screen you can see the library icon. So you can see the library icon here. Also you can go for your view subscription. So here you can see the view subscription, just go for your subscription option here. So once you are on your subscription option, so in the list you will see the subscribe here. So no video is right to you. Subscribe to get the latest video from your channel. Just go for the subscribe option. After that, here you can see that. So you will now see a list of all the channel you are currently subscribed to. So the list is typically arranged by the most recent videos uploaded by these channels. So this step will help you to keep track of all the channels you follow on your YouTube through the mobile app. I hope this video will be helpful for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.